How to change the page orientation in MS Word from portrait to landscape or from landscape to portrait. So come on the Word, click on it, click on your document here. Now this is page 1, this is now in a portrait form. Page 2, page 3, page 4. So all the 4 pages are in portrait form, portrait format. But I want to change the orientation from portrait to landscape. So what will you do? You will come in the section layout. After layout, first of all, you will click on the page you want to change. For example, if I want to change page 3 orientation from portrait to landscape, then you will click on this anywhere, just like this. Then come into the layout, and after layout, come into this little arrow section here, just like this. Now here two options are portrait and landscape. If you want to make it landscape, click on this, and here in this section you will select that this point forward only. Okay, so now this page 3 is now in a landscape form. Now if you want to undo this, then click on this. Again click on portrait now, this section. Okay, now it almost changed into it. So this is a very simple way. If you want to make any page in this form, like this, you want to make this page the last page in a landscape form, come into layout, come into this section, click on the landscape, click on this section only, and click on OK. So then it will change into landscape form as it is here. And if you want to do it back, now this is very easy for you to look here. These two pages are in portrait form and these two pages are in landscape form. But if I want to make both these pages in a portrait form again, then repeat the process here. Click on this, click on portrait, and this section forward. Okay, all these pages are now in a back form. So this was the way to change the orientation of pages. Hope you'll get it beneficial, inshallah. Follow us for more videos, subscribe us.